In this video, I'll be showing you how to replace a front lower control arm on a Chevrolet Equinox. They are located behind the front wheels. Let's get started. Let's go and remove our left front wheel. There's 5 19mm lug nuts. Now that our wheel's off, we're going to make our way to our lower control arm. We're going to locate the stud and its 18mm nut. I'll be using a wrench to remove this. Set the nut aside. Now I'm going to move on to my 2 front 18mm bolts on the control arm. Now for our last 2 bolts and nuts. On the top, I'll be securing it with an 18mm wrench. And on the bottom, I'll be removing them using an 18mm socket. Now let's pull our control arm away from the vehicle. As you can see, our ball joint is still stuck in the knuckle, so I'll be using a hammer to remove it. I'm going to hold the control arm with one hand, and with the other hand, strike the control arm with a hammer. And there it is. Now to install our new control arm. I'm just going to slide it in place. I'm going to slide it in the ball joint first. And just put it in place for now. Now I'm going to tap it in place with a rubber mallet, making sure my holes are aligned with the holes on the subframe. Now we're going to slide in our bolts. Hit it with the rubber mallet if you have to again. Do the same for the other bolt. I'm going to hand thread on both of my 18mm nuts. Now I'm going to hand thread on my 2 other 18mm bolts. Now I'm just going to snug these down. Now we're going to go ahead and torque these down to 74 foot-pounds. Now to snug up my rear bolts. So I'll put an 18mm wrench on the nut side and a socket on the bolt side. We are also going to torque these to 74 foot-pounds using an 18 millimeter. Now to hand thread on my 18 millimeter ball joint nut. Now we're going to go ahead and snug this down. Once it's snug, give it a quarter turn.
Now let's reinstall our left front wheel. Just snug these up by hand. I'm going to tie in these in a crisscross pattern. So just snug them down for now. Now let's go ahead and torque these to 100 foot-pounds in a crisscross pattern.
After finishing this installation, it's important to have an alignment done on your vehicle.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.